Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla, and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today I have the new WESTMAN Atelier Vital Skincare Complexion Drops. I am going to be testing this out for y'all today, applying it to my face with both my hands and a brush and letting you know my thoughts and how it wears. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then just keep watching. So I got the complexion drops in the shade Atelier In because that is the shade that I wear in the stick foundation that she has. So on the website, on WESTMAN Atelier's website, it says that it is the strength of a serum, the beauty of a skin tint, light to medium coverage, and with a radiant finish. It says it's got ginseng extract, pomegranate extract, sunflower and almond oil, sabaki oil, I'm pretty sure I'm butchering that, Urban Shield Complex, and Ginger Root Complex. They say that it's makeup that works with your skin, not over it. Complexion boosting drops give breathable coverage and radiance while improving bare skin quality. Loaded with skincare actives, as a deeply nourishing formula instantly hydrates, even tones, and soothes. So their thing is that you only need to use 3 drops. Here it says 3 drops to bare skin that feels smoother, hydrated, firmer, and looks brighter and healthier. So on Gucci Westman's Instagram, she's done like a few tutorials with this. There was a brush that came out with it, but I did not pick up the brush. I am going to use my Sonia G Jumbo Base Brush on half of my face because the new brush that WESTMAN Atelier sold that goes along with this looks like it's kind of a dense brush, and this is a more dense foundation brush. So this is the packaging, okay? I was like, it's so tiny. It's like that typical WESTMAN Atelier kind of like light pink. It is this twist off, if I can get it, cap, and just like a regular little squeezy tube. It's small, but it is a full ounce. I was shocked when I opened this up, but you know, it's all about like the minimal packaging. I think it's beautiful, it's sleek, and it's super compact, so you can carry it with you if that's what you like to do. So I've shaken it up really well. So now let's kind of drop. We're just gonna do 1 drop for right now, because what I want to do is, like I always do when I'm reviewing a new foundation, apply half to my face with my hands and then the other side with a brush. I don't think a beauty blender would work with this. That's why we're going to do those 2. So let's just do 1 drop. That is 1 drop. The shade match looks perfect. As you can see, it is a little runny. So we're gonna take that 1 drop and apply it to this side of my face with my hands. It feels so light in texture, y'all. Oh my gosh, this is a true first impressions. I hadn't pumped it out on the back of my hand. I looked at the packaging. That was it. It has a little bit of a scent. It's kind of like skincare-y. As you can see, I'm having some major stuff going on with my skin right now, so we'll see how this does in covering it up. So we're just kind of blending it in. Like I said, it's kind of like a skincare-y scent. Not much of one though. It's not like an added fragrance or anything. All right, so there's that 1 drop applied to this side of my face. The coverage is very, very light. I'm definitely gonna have to go in and cover up my blemishes. But like I said, I don't wanna use more than like 3 drops total, because that's what she says to do. So here it is on this side of my face, 1 drop applied with my hands. My skin definitely, minus the blemishes, looks very healthy and juicy. This is by no means a satin finish, kind of like her stick foundation. This is very juicy and very dewy. So let's go ahead and drop out another drop. And we're gonna apply it to this side of my face with my Sonia G Jumbo Base Brush. So here it is applied with the brush. Definitely upon first application, I prefer it with the brush, but I think that this side looks pretty much the same. I just feel like this one's not quite as like greasy looking, and I do feel like somehow with the brush it provided a little bit more coverage. So here it is with the brush. And then fingers. So now what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop one more drop, since they do say that it's a 3-drop foundation, and I'm just gonna go in and add a little bit more to the areas where I feel like I need a little bit more coverage. So just kind of patting it in the areas where I need more coverage. We'll fix my nose later. I can't ever get anything. I have a specific formula that I have to do on my nose with pretty much every foundation. So, okay, so don't worry about how it looks on my nose. Really, there's nothing that looks good on my nose unless I apply it with a beauty blender. But this is 3 drops. I used exactly 3 drops. I feel like it definitely provided like a medium amount of coverage, and it just feels so light and so airy on my skin, almost like I don't have anything on. And my skin just feels like it's hydrated and plump, and it just looks really, really healthy. So let me come in a little bit so you can see it. So this is the side that I started out with the brush. And then this is the side that I started out with my fingers. I'm definitely gonna have to go in and cover up blemishes, but this doesn't say that it's gonna cover up blemishes. So I'm not mad about that. Ignore the nose. I'm gonna fix that, but that's with any foundation. So, I mean, first impressions, it's really pretty. I really, really like it. So I think next time I use this, I'm gonna go in with the 3 drops, and then maybe like where I need more coverage, like around my nose and stuff, I'll use the stick foundation of hers, which I saw her do in some of her tutorials. But for right now, I just kind of want to leave it like this so that we can see how this one wears and how it performs with other products. So far, I'm liking it. It's a perfect shade match for me, and so far it's really, really beautiful. So I'm going to go finish up my face, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so this is the finished look. The bold lip is, I'm doing the Katie Jane Hughes KJH Academy for this week, so that's why this lip is so bold. Overall, I like really, really love this. My skin just looks so hydrated and so juicy, but yet like it's very blurring. That's the only way I know how to describe it. Typically when you think of like a blurring product, you think of something that's more matte, but this is definitely a very healthy looking foundation. Now, as to how it's gonna wear throughout the day, I don't know. I will leave a pinned comment down below, but overall, I'm really, really impressed with this. I didn't use too much powder to set, just a tiny little bit, and I'm thoroughly impressed. It feels very weightless on my skin, almost just like an extra skincare step, but providing a little bit of coverage. So yeah, I really enjoy this. So let me know in the comment section down below if you tried this, if you love it. And as always, if you like my content, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. And now I'm on TikTok, so I would love to see you over there too. It's at beautybykaylak over there as well. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.